Alright, so, yes. Yeah, the UI is kind of trash, I know. However, let's not focus on the UI right now, okay? Let's fix game over UI, exactly. So, what are we gonna do today? We're going to work on... I don't know, to be honest. Shield bash works. Bash an enemy with a shield, pushing them back. Let's see. Wait. What's going on here? Is that from the UI rework yesterday? Button, it's this button here. For some reason... Position? This material, maybe? Let's try. It has to do with color, I'm pretty sure. Why? Guys, why? But this render mode you set up yesterday doesn't write to alpha, so why does it become invisible? Because the color is 50% opaque. Let me show you. 0.8, watch what's happening. It's going to get more opaque the more alpha I use. On the source image. See that? It becomes more opaque. Oops, shit. The more I increase the alpha value. So it seems like the less alpha value, then only multiply RGB of the color. No. No, that's not what I want, though. That's not what I want. I mean, in this case, yes. But in other cases, no. I want to add a transparent... No, this is dog shit. Sorry, but this is bad. Because I want to be able to layer a transparent object on top of UI. When in doubt, render docket, but you cannot render a transparent icon first and then a solid panel after. No, I'm rendering the solid panel first. As far as I know. But I suppose maybe this helps. Wait, maybe you're onto something. Right? Maybe what I have to do here is dot options is transparent. Add the transparent what is it called? Add the transparent option to it. Maybe that works. Huh. Hey, real super cool. I think we got it. Thank you. Thank you very much. Maybe that's it. Maybe. My man, thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah? It looks a bit odd because it's transparent now, right? But it works. But I just want it to be darker, actually. I don't want it to be transparent, I just want it to be darker. So essentially what you mean is... basically this color, right? We want it to be white, otherwise we just want it to be... I see what you mean now. Thank you so much. Oh, you guys have no idea. You know, I just wanted... basically, like this. Okay, it's like this. I'll explain to you guys. You know when you go out and you do shit a lot, and you're collecting some not else, but you're also not collecting any W's, right? Not really any W's. So I've been looking for this W, right? This big, fat W, right? I've been looking for that, and it just wouldn't come. Instead, what it come was like these minor L's, right? So minor L here, minor L there. While, yes, we did get the options menu done. I feel like banning pushed right now. You know, just saying. Initializer list. Okay. You know what would be cool? If, you know, maybe there's some nice messages on YouTube. Yes, hi guys. Hi, good morning. Sorry, the YouTube chat didn't update. Hello Chrono, hi. Is this farming? Nails? Would be cool if a Twitch bro could ask Cakez if YouTube is broken. Yeah, it was broken. I'm sorry. Hi Inukai. No vibe at all. Sad. Yeah, Cyber Sterling. We need to get some vibe by, you know, making progress. But okay. Now that we have fixed this. Huh? Wait a minute. I didn't build yet, right? There we go. Okay, so that's what I wanted. Cool. Now, the important part here is that the text doesn't really seem to move. Also, the text is not aligned properly, in my opinion. So, go back to do choice. Wait, the name is fine. Text size divided by 2 plus 2. 1 or 2. Perfect. And then also, for some reason, the text doesn't move. Oh, because of the integer positions. So that's something we changed yesterday in the interface when we had draw UI text. Wait, draw UI text. There we go. Oh yeah. Song makes me want to play Gwent, slaughter a village and fight a wolf with my bare fists. Oh yeah, Gwent is an awesome game. I feel like playing Witcher 2 as well. Not Witcher 2, like Witcher 3, 2, as well. Progress today? Yeah, we will make progress today. Right now it's bug fixing, but only integer positions. Let's get rid of that. That makes the text float properly. Because I thought there was an issue, but it wasn't. There we go. Now it floats properly. And we can remove, I think we can remove the 2. Right? That looks much better. Very nice. I have all 3, help yourself. I have all 3 as well, actually. When Witcher 3 was close to release, I actually went out and got myself 1 and 2 and played them before 3 came out. And then I played 3. It was an awesome experience. But I said I can throw rock. This is shield bash. Can you read? Alright, okay. Now, shield bash. Let's see. This is basically the beginning of the game. This is how you start. Can't you read, bro? Witcher, but didn't you want to play Elden Ring? Yeah. I want to play many things, bro. I think I'm basically sad, guys. I think I'm sad because Dark Souls is over and I was having so much fun. That's what it feels like to me. I was sitting here the other day thinking about, oh man, Dark Souls was such a great game and it's over now. Ooh, maybe we can fix this really quickly. Basically, these apples, they give, or these oranges, they give gold. And so whenever we pick them up, we could do a floating number with text. Basically an icon that shows that we got gold. And then also for the numbers here, in order to fix the UI a little bit, the UI text, I should only use 1 or 1.5 scaling that allows me to use twice. How do I explain this? I guess I'm just gonna do it. It doesn't matter. So for example, where's that? Where are we here right now? We are in text. So for example, it is UI again, but it's fine. Okay, so game state oranges. There we go. There we go. That's an orange. Update and draw oranges. Key pressed. Wait. If key pressed the C key, then we add an orange on position Oh, wow. Okay. A silver orange. Okay. Alright, oranges. They have an animation. Duration. If we press the left mouse key and we are inside the orange, then we take a look at... Ah, sprite orange silver. Is your game font a normal texture or SDF? It's a normal texture, Chris. So essentially, we could say gold. So if we click, then we could do a float. Gold is 10. And then we set... Well, we set it to 100. But if it's... Well, I guess we set it to 0. Gold is 10. Gold is 25. And over here, gold is 100. And then we do level state plus equals gold plus equals gold. Now that we have a variable for the gold, we can do a draw. Oh no, wait, it's called a floating... No, it is a damage number, I guess. I suppose it's a damage number. Damage number. What do we need for that? Or was it a floating message? Let's mark this as B. And then go over to level up, which happens in... Oh god. Level up. Play sound level up. There we go. It does a floating message. Okay. That's what we need. A floating message. We can do this two ways, right? We can do this two ways. We can go the balloons route and basically... Alright guys, I want to do a poll. Let me show you. Balloons, banana farm. Videos. Best banana farm. Let's see.
Farming is incredibly...
Yeah. There we go. Wait. Okay. So he has the mouse there the entire time, but essentially... It's difficult to see. Because he never moves the mouse away. I think there it was. There we go. Okay. So. First... We could do this. Wait. So, see the mouse move over the... Well, it's a banana, right? See the mouse move over the banana? It floats or it gravitates to the cursor. And then once it reaches the cursor, it does like a poof effect. And does a plus 20. That scales up and moves up. See that? Where's the mouse? The mouse is here. It's the small little thing. It looks nothing like a banana. Well, because that's a skin. Hello, Fuji. And thank you very much for following, Whitened. That's essentially how it is done in Bloons. But we can also do it the same way. YouTube. Plants versus Zombies. Play. Let's see, completing 100% gameplay, complete walkthrough, I guess. In the very beginning, you can click on a sun, and then the sun moves over to where the suns are, and it increases the counter. There's two ways to do this. Which one do you think is better? Because maybe for gold, I mean, it is the primary resource, right? I guess we'll have to test. Gold, though, is something that is very rare, happens very rarely. And then the seeds. Why are you jumping? I'm on the ball, bro. Are you on Linux? No, I'm not on Linux. I'm on Windows. I'm making a game and Windows is the most predominant platform. Hello, Cakez. Hello there, Basti. Beast, boy. Good morning. One in Plants vs. Zombies is annoying if you have many things flying the same place. Explain the options again for the pull, Cakez. Well, do it the Plants vs. Zombies way or the Bloons way. What's the difference again? I hate clicking to pick up resources ever since I played PoE Currency Bloat, even though China gets a pickup pet. Yeah, but we're not doing this here. This is supposed to be gameplay. The poll is already up. I meant to explain to the people so they can choose. Oh, I see. Bloon style, mostly of you. I did, but I just did. Like, I don't want to repeat myself. Well, essentially, I don't want to repeat myself. I just explained it. Anyways, okay, fine. Let me see. When there is a sun in... When there's a sun in... What is it called again? Everyone upgrades to auto pickup and Bloons ASAP. Yeah, I know. There's a lot of auto pickup happening in Bloons because it is annoying. But it's a trade-off, right? I think for gold it should be the Bloon style, and then for the seeds it should be 2 billion. Thank you very much for following. And then for... I think I'm gonna do it like this. Yeah, you guys want the Bloon style mostly anyways, right? The Plants vs. Zombie style could maybe be used for the seeds. Right, when we pick up a seed. And so, let's begin by... Okay. I begin by changing this... Okay. By changing the size of those. So, we have a floating message here. What do we need in a floating message? We have a position, a timer, a duration, and a size, and then a text. Okay. Let's see. So, what do we need? We need the gold icon. Maybe a smaller one than at the top, but I guess... Wait. Yeah, most of you seem to want to use the Bloons, right? It is plus $20. Wait, this isn't required here, is it? We want the Cakez style. How do you plan to avoid cheaters? In the beginning, I don't. Because it's not an online game. It's going to be single player only in the beginning. And then I'll basically go the Stardew Valley route, where I add multiplayer after that. Isn't the item Plants vs. Zombie way? Don't you have bags or fruits or something? Multiplayer? Yeah, I'm going to prioritize modding over multiplayer. Oh no. That was the wrong one. Alright. I actually wanted to move it 3 to the right. Okay. I don't know how people like... What I really love about non-Vim mode is that you can use tab and it just works. You know, it taps it to the right. Anyway, so what do we need? Dot position. Where is that? So basically, it starts out where the, what is it called? Orange position is. Plus a vector 2 of 0 and then maybe 10 pixels above. The timer, dot timer, is 1 second for now. Duration, oh timer, we don't do timer. Duration is gonna be 1, which is fine. Then the text. We have to fix this later. We have to, whatever that's called. Font size 1 should be okay. And then rendering options, I don't think we need any. So leave this out. Hello Inukai. After 10 minutes, he only read the last message and ignored your getting nails. Will you do Jcraft soon today? Because the past 2 streams you flat out lied with your titles. Yes, I will. How do you play it? But I have to first get this done here. Greeting, not getting, ignoring beta boy for 10 minutes. Classic. Shut up. Shut up. Okay, now mem copy into the floating message dot text using a source buffer, and that would be. Wait a minute. Actually, no. Char pointer text is format text. Now with the format string would be a okay, plus, and then what was I think it was the brackets. Eckige Klammern in English, guys. Cakez, I told you how to make it so that you can press and keep the selection highlighted before. How? Yeah, brackets. They're called brackets, okay. Now in the brackets, I want to do a %d for a sprite. And then we have another %d for how much. So that would be gold. And then over here we have sprite. Let me think. Sprite gold. Orange gold. Coin. I wonder if it's the coin sprite. Okay, now that we have the text, we want to mem copy the text using the string length of the text. Alright. And then the floating message gets added to the game state. There we go. Effect. What is this? Orange sprite ID. It creates... Wait, there's a velocity. 6010? What? Orange sprite ID. What does that do? But I go see you guys. Have a good time. Rizoma, my man, thank you very much for joining. Have a good time. He still didn't greet you, but boy, I think he hates you. I did, you dumbo, I did. Like, basically in the very beginning. Put this trash into your VS Code settings file, but first check if you already have visual mode key bindings non-recursive anywhere in there. Okay. Oof. I mean, maybe? Visual mode. I don't think I have, no. Okay. So, and what does this do? It has to do with these two characters. So basically the tab replacement. Oh, wait, why is this? I see. Okay. Like this? Vim setting. Yeah, hey, Celsius Sisho, my man, good morning. What are you making today? I'm working on... And now what should I do? Then you can spam to indent. Oh, thank you, bro. I really appreciate it. Yeah, what a shitty Vim setting that was. Thank you very much. Yeah, the default setting is atrociously bad. Thank you so much, bro. Alright, let's see. Click. Ooh, that looks so bad. Oh, that looks so bad. Oh, okay, we need render options for sure, bro. Outline. And then the text color. Font size, we don't have anything. Wait, I can't change that? I can't change the color of the text? I can. Actually, I can. Here's how it goes. R, comma. I can turn it into red or in yellow. Yellow. Now it's yellow. High school, project, lookup, pickup. Alright, let's see. Ooh, look at this, guys. Okay. Now we just need a good sprite. There's gotta be a coin that's smaller. I know I have a smaller coin. What is this? Let's see here. Oh, it's this coin. Wait. I gotta have a better coin, don't I? Let's see here. Coin. Yeah, I should have this. Right. We also have this. That orange sprite looks kind of dark. Yeah, this is dark here. This is the one. I could do gold, right? But I suppose it depends on what type of coin I have. We could do silver and then gold here, this way. The orange that drops here, well, that's because this orange here is the weakest of them. Then this is silver and this is a gold orange. That's supposed to be that way. It's not supposed to be golden. It is supposed to be like a, yeah, somewhat interesting, but not that interesting. There's 3 stages to this. Metal fruits. Okay. Let me think. I have this coin, but I could also use those. How did that look again? It doesn't really look that good because...
Am I so out of touch?
Yeah.
No.
Anonymous is gifting 1 subs to the community.
Excuse me. But it's fine. Sprite coin bronze. I have an idea. Hey, thank you, Trump's Tiny Hands. Thank you, Anonymous Gifter, for gifting us up. I really appreciate it, bro. Thank you. Assets. Alright, let's see. Sprite, coin, bronze. We can do an S dot pivot offset is 0 and then -2 for all of those coins. Wait, not here. Silver and gold. I'm currently learning C++ with knowledge of C. Yeah, nightmare language. No, I don't think so. C is not a nightmare language. And you have an idea where I can learn C++ with a game? Like somewhere I can create a game step by step with the help? Yeah, I mean, if you want to do a lot of coding, you could try this tutorial. That's my tutorial. Or you could try Unreal Engine if you want to have like Unreal Engine's version of C++. Yeah. Oh, guys, look at this. Look at that. Bloop. It says +0, but it actually is not. Shouldn't be 0. Cool. Eh? Shouldn't the gold be set here? Eh? It's not 0 though. If it's an orange, silver. Eh? I'm so confused. It does add +10. So why does it say +0 here? Hey, why does it say +0? I'm confused. The least fun I ever had coding was trying out Unreal. Sad, really? C is good, but my school asked me to redo, as an example, Minishell, so it kinda traumatized me. Wait, so your school asked you to redo Minishell in C? Maybe the project was boring to you and not the language. Because you can do a lot of things in C. Like make games as well. Hey, why does it say 0? That makes no sense. No, it makes no sense. Why is it 0 here? Eh? Let's see what happens. Gold is obviously... Ah, it's a float. I see. Well, how about we turn this into an int then? Then it works. Okay, it was my fault. Yeah. Cool. Alright, now we just need to move it a little bit to the left, right? Well, let's say -5. No, -5 is not enough. How about -15? Cool. Is that really -15? Oh. Okay. Now I have a feeling that it is a little bit... I want to scale that, right? As it comes up. Also, the 10 here should be -10. So it moves up. The swings look bugged when he turns. Yeah, I know. I know. Is Unity worth learning right now? Why not? You could still make good games in Unity. Okay, I would love to fade this in. I wonder if there's a way to do that. And also like to scale it up a little bit. But, well, we can't really scale font, can we? Well, we can. It's possible. The font size could like... There could be an option in the floating message. Right? Like instead of rendering options, we have another options. Or let's call it message. Options. Right? And then we could, not an int, but maybe do an enum. Message options. Options bits. Right? And then we have those bits here, and then we can do a type def. Int is going to be message options flags. Right, and then we have message options flags here. Message options, we call it flags. And what type of flags do we want to have? Well, how about we have the message option fade in, that would be color. Then message option fade in size, and this is fade in color. And what else? Message option fade out color. Message option fade out size. Maybe I'm not gonna use it though. And then this would be bit 0, and this is bit 1. And this is bit 2. And this is bit 3. For now. And then these are the flags that combine into this. Why not start with Unity at this point? I'd recommend Godot. Unity is more advanced, unfortunately. Godot is getting really close. And the more people work on it, the better it will get, hopefully. I'm speaking mostly about the UI. I hope the UI will change for the better. The engine itself, the scripting is really nice, but I have issues with the UI. It is a little bit too convoluted, in my opinion, and they should really fix that. I have 10 plus years in Unity, bro. Then you could just... Can't you just make a really good game in Unity? Have you already made a game, Dr. Zur? Like a big game in Unity or something? That's really cool. Yes? And? Have you been successful? You wanna link your game? That's crazy. You made one yourself or with a team? That's awesome. So what is your opinion on Unity right now? Now that you know about the monetization they tried to push, which obviously failed, right? A Civi in Vector. Oh wow. Avicii in Vector. Wait, Avicii in Vector? What? Are you even allowed to do that? See through vocal melodies, sweep each fade and attack every beat in 25 of Avicii's biggest hits in the thrilling music rhythm. Wait, but that's not you alone, right? That's a team? Is that a team? Or is this alone? Is this you alone? Oh, wow. Look how many games. Damn. It's quite a few. Avicii and Vector. Oh, man. What is this? This is the latest game? How did it go? Very positive. But it's basically like Avicii and Vector, right? What is this? Taekwondo. Click on it. This is in Unity. The background does look nice. The characters like, yeah, the characters look very generic, I have to say. Cool, but it's still very nice. Awesome, bro. Very cool. 10 years. And it looks like it's been treating you well, right? A team, Hello 3 Games. What's the reason to make Taekwondo game? Don't get it. I don't know. What's the reason to make a walking simulator, bro? Some people just like that. You know? That's the guy that died. Yeah, unfortunately. What did he die to again? Hello, we can see demo of your game. I'm working on it. I'm working on a demo right now. I'm currently working on this. And so I just added in fading options, which I hope to just add in here as we fade in. Like, for example, each coin has a time, and as the time is greater. Yeah, so for example, if the coin's time, if the orange time, maybe not this if check, because that always goes through. If the orange, wait, it's the orange, right? It's not on the oh wait, actually not the orange, sorry, not the orange. It's update and draw floating messages, right? This one right here. Excuse me. Oh. All right. So if the floating message dot flags and what did I call this again? Message option. If we fade in the color, right? How do I do this? If I'm supposed to fade in color, right, then I also have to check, well, are we actually still fading in, right? Floating message dot time timer is less than 1 or equal to 1 second, right? Bless you, thank you. You Brazilian Schleuder, Bazillenschleuder. Oh, Gesundheit, Dankeschön. Dankeschön, bro. Appreciate it. It's the real super cool. He cut himself, I think, with a wine bottle, or he killed himself, you mean? That's unfortunate. What's the reason to make a Bloons copy, but worse than the original? It's not a Bloons copy, you stupid idiot. You're wrong. You're absolutely wrong. I still don't understand how you can say Bloons copy. Yeah, the level looks like Bloons, but the entire gameplay is much different. You're wrong. Totally wrong. It's embarrassing. You should stop, you know? You're embarrassing yourself, Mr. Collector of Stuff. It's not a one-to-one copy. You're wrong. You're absolutely wrong. It's crazy how wrong you are. But, okay, fine. Anyways, floating message. When we fade in the color, then we don't have a color here. Right, so for that, we need a vector 4. For float alpha is 1. Right, and then we do dot material dot color is 1, 1, 1 alpha. Okay, now we can use the alpha and fade it in. Basically, we can fade it in linearly first, right? So this would be linear. And let's see, alpha is floating message dot timer. There we go. This would be linear because we are increasing it linearly. Why use the bitwise operator and there? Because, well, you can have multiple flags enabled, and that means the flags would look something like this. And then the bitwise operator, the AND, would check for a specific bit. Right, and that would result, in this case, it would result to false. Because I don't even know how many I have here, but this bit right here is not set. However, it's checking if this bit is set. Flags basically allow you... Alles gut? Flags basically allow you to turn on specific bits in an array and then have multiple options enabled at the same time, while an integer enum only allows you to have one. It's like mutually exclusive, while bits allow you to have inclusivity. Just need to help my wife for a second. 1 second. Okay. Ja.
Musst du das Mutter noch essen?
Nee, danke. Da sind Haferflocken drin.
Nur ein Bergbucher und Scherlau.
Ach so. Ja, mal gucken. Später.
Hier.
Danke, tschüss. Thank you very much for following, Morphling. Good morning. Alright. Is this Minecraft in J? No, this is currently still the tower defense game in C++. We will switch over to Minecraft in J in a second. Struck Bull A. This is so stupid. I'm wasting a bunch of time, bunch of space with this. Right now, I just have one int. Are you dumb? Is space that important? Well, you should still be aware of that, you know? Idiot? What? The :1 is setting it to use that much? No, you're not. Idiot? I mean, in a small game like this, it doesn't matter whether the game is small or not, in my opinion. In my opinion, if you're aware of that, like, these things just apply, right? In my opinion, this is the best thing to do in this scenario. It's flags. It's a common concept. while it's good space-wise, you don't have to do it this way. But it's also good to be aware of this, right? Alright, let's see if we can fade in. That would be the first thing. Also, we have to supply that, right? Oh yeah, and we have to rebuild. That means I have to wait for another drop, which means I probably have to keep the C press, right? Update and draw oranges. Yeah, we still have this. So that will work, I think. And then for the floating message here. Oops. Floating message. There we go. I want to have flags. Is message option fade in color. There we go. Let's see if this works. Fading in color, that would also mean we want to have an outline and we want to have transparency on the text. Now, I don't know if this will work. Hey guys, Cakez is right. The characters in our Taekwondo game are very generic looking. I appreciate the honest opinions. Yeah, some people just don't understand that honest feedback is the best feedback, but fine, you know. Anyways, appreciate it, bro. Thank you very much for the following. Sorry, XUDE. So you're German, bro? C. All right, let's see. K. I mean, what is this? It fades the text, but not the outline. I mean, it does look kind of cool, I have to say. What is this? Alright, so it doesn't fade the outline, huh? Wait, we can do this. It works. It works. Wait. Outline, right? Yeah, there must be a transparency option for this. Right. Draw the glyph, outline. Wait, but shouldn't this have... Huh? It just adds in the outline option. Why is this not... It should add this here. I'm confused. Rendering option transparent. Then int a is 0. Let's see. Hey! Don't do that. Didn't build yet. Learn and improve equals insist on bad behavior so you don't have to apologize. Shut your fucking mouth, bitch. Just triple down, yeah. I think I have to rebuild completely. No problem. Nice stream. Interesting to listen while programming. I know some German, but I'm not from Germany. The idea was to spell XD with words in some way. Dude, what is that? XUDE? Is that supposed to be XD? XUD, brilliant. Oh man. Wait, is that like Ixu? Is that like a pronunciation? XD? Yeah. Bro. Goodness. Yeah. But I mean, that sucks. It is transparent. Wait, maybe it doesn't apply the color. Maybe it doesn't apply the color. Wait a minute, that could be it. Drop shadow. I need to take a piss, guys. I'm sorry. But don't we have the same material index? Wait a minute. I get it now. It must be in the shader. Here. We decide on outline to be... black, but using the original color. Wait. Material.color. .alpha. It's gonna work, guys. It's going to work. Inukai. Hey. Inukai. My man. Wait, you can use J already? I thought Jonathan Blow didn't release it yet. Yeah, it's... I got invited. Or not invited, but Rafael Luba asked me or told me that I could ask him for access. And, you know, he saw my coding and he was like, this guy Cakez. He knows what he's doing. He can make his own engine and game in C++. Bruh. And then he was like, hey Cakez, bro, you can get access to J. Cause your programming skills, awesome. And then I was like, oh, me? Oh, I would have never expected that. Sure, of course. Definitely Raphael's thoughts and words. Yeah, of course. He was like this when he sent the compiler to Cakez. Okay, sure, bro. Stay mad. Hey guys, who in chat has access to J? Who of you guys have access to J? Type 1 in chat if you have access to J. I know there's quite a few in chat that actually have access to this. Nationops doesn't know. Cupertino 1, Alcode Monkey. I don't believe you, Cupertino. For some reason, I don't believe you. Carpendev 0, you're not. I do. I don't believe you either. For some reason, I don't believe you. UHM. No! Had it way before you. For some reason, I just don't believe collector of stuff. I don't know what it is about this guy. LOL, it works! But it fades in... yeah. It fades in too late, right? So how about... Guys, I can fade in font now. I couldn't do that before. We got it like... Not a big W, but like... A 60% W. I would say 60% W today. Yay! Good! Good! I need that! Sorry, but I fucking hate not getting W's! Okay, draw. No, update and draw. Yeah, wait. Floating messages. Guys, how about we multiply that by 2? Oh, Athano, my man, good morning. Actually, Rafael Luba asked me to... Do you think we should give this guy J? And I was like, yeah, I guess. That will make him feel special. He needs a W these days. It's been nothing but L's. And he was like, alright, man. Yeah. Sure, bro. Look at this collector guy. Okay, bro. What a fucking... Yeah, sure. Why is it so... Guys, can you explain this transparency to me? It is... maybe, like... So, can you guys explain this? AQ isn't here, I think. AQ, are you here, bro? AQ? No, he's not. So, collector... Not collector... A collector of stuff. Real super cool. The blending mode we used yesterday, right? Why does it treat alpha values so weirdly? Or am I just tripping balls? Take a look at this. So I'm trying to linearly blend in the text, right? Bro, don't leave! What are you doing? What is this emote? Bro, like, come on! Please. Okay. Wait. Mark this as A and then switch to B. Yeah, and then switch to A and switch to B and switch to A and switch to B. Cool. That works. How about we set the duration to 5 seconds? 5 seconds, okay. Now, we will also... No. We switch to A. And then we... Over the duration. Right? Yeah, and then we set it to the timer divided by the floating message dot duration. So basically this will be a linear approach. How so weirdly? Watch this. Watch this. I'll show you. Take a look at this. Okay? Why is this blending mode that we do, the weird blending mode, creating this? Watch the alpha value happen, okay? It basically is invisible for the entire duration up until like 60% to the end. You see this? Invisible, slowly visible. So anything below 0.5, well, sorry, we could also, sorry guys, we could do this. Alpha is 0.5. Why? Why? I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. Shit! Give me a second. Edge Wilbert, thank you very much for following. Look. This is 0.5. It's invisible. Barely visible. See that? So I'm wondering why this blend mode... Let me capture this. And I'll put this in paint so you guys can see. Watch.
Gotcha, bitch.
It is barely visible here. You see this? This is 0.5. Why is that? Why is the blending of this? And so for any of you guys wondering what I'm talking about, yesterday we added in a new blending mode in video compression. I can't see it. Yeah, well, you can't see it. It's basically invisible. That's fine. It's basically, yeah, watch. UI pass. Yeah, UI pass. In the UI pass, the transparent objects. No, this is opaque. The transparent objects are first sorted and then drawn using... Oh, we can get rid of this, by the way. Using this blend function here. I'm rendering all UI to a UI canvas now, and then I render that final UI canvas on top. Yeah, I render that final UI canvas on top. And we can take a look, right, in RenderDoc, why that happens. Let me open that. So for anyone that can't follow, I guess this is a good explanation on what happens. Essentially, this is the game. I make a screenshot. Probably better to make a screenshot here, right? Click, and then we make a screenshot of this F12 right here. So what you see here is... let's go to the color pass. That is the UI pass that's happening. And in the texture viewer, we can see what as in... Wait, that's the output. Yeah. The output that is generated and the def buffer that is generated. So this is the output, this is def, right? And so first is it just draws the opaque UI elements, and then we go over to the transparent ones. And it looks... Actually, it doesn't look too bad here. But the alpha value is still 0.09. It is not 0.5. It's supposed to be 0.5. Oh, am I tripping balls here? Isn't it supposed to be 0.5? Right? Looks horrible? No, you're wrong. It doesn't look horrible. You're stupid. I don't know what you mean. Looks horrible. Burp allocation is full. Guys, I need to go to the bathroom really quickly. I'm trying to figure out why I set an alpha value of 0.5 using this blend mode right here. Make sure the blended pixels never go below 1 alpha. I mean, I can fix this. I can fix this with some magic code, right? Where I always add 0.5 to the base. But I wonder why that is. I wonder if it's this blend mode or if I maybe do something wrong in the shader. The shader code basically takes the material's color as an alpha value. We can take a look at the material color, right? There should be one that has 0.5 in there, and we can find that in the pipeline state, in the, I think, fragment shader. There we have materials, an array right here. We can inspect that. And we have two colors here, additive and normal color. And I actually don't see one that has 0.5, to be honest. Maybe this. We can figure out the index for the certain draw call. Oh my. Wait a minute. Mesh viewer, right? Oof, this is going to be annoying. Veers out. Yeah, it's not that. Okay, so this one. The material index for this one is 2. It's indexing into the color 2, which is using 0.2. Guys, I need to go to the bathroom. I'm a bit confused. Maybe we'll figure that out. Uncle Gucci, good morning, bro. Give me a second. Forgive me if the question is stupid, but do multiple threads change access to the alpha value? No. I have one thread. Zeppelin. Let me check something. Okay. But we can try to track down what's happening by going through the entire thing. And we start with the game. Over here. F9. Whenever we have this. Read up. Oh yeah, what is it? Dirty animal, bathroom noises. Hello Uncle Gucci, good morning. He's not gonna wash hands, dirty animal, banana, and piss time. Which tool? This side. I use this side, yes. I don't think he's doing any threading at all. No, I don't. Read the rest, bro. Read up. Hello, handsome German. Hello, Betzio, good morning. Cakes, a bit off topic, but did you try Renman 2? Like Dark Souls with guns-ish. Fantastic worlds and universe. I have not tried it yet, bro. I'm currently preparing for Elden Ring, which means we're gonna finish the Minecraft and J. I'll try my best to do it every day, and today too. And then we're gonna start Elden Ring. You missed the video, real super cool linked. Check this out, Cakes. Huh? GL1. Okay. Source alpha. Alpha is multiplied by alpha. So I should use GL1 for the source. Okay. Does that work? With the current setting, alpha is squared. Aha. But does this still work? It's the question. Oops. Let's see. UI pass. Will it break anything? If we go for this. So right now you change the 1 minus. No, wait. Source alpha, source alpha. This is gonna be GL1, right? Wait, what did you change? You changed the source. What is the second one? Wait, what did you change? Source alpha. You changed this source alpha to Wait a minute. You changed the source alpha, right? To GL1. Not Dark Souls 2. I wanted to play Dark Souls 2 Snoggy but the Elden Ring DLC will come out soon. And so this is going to be the first time where I hopefully, we're gonna have a baby in the middle of the fucking thing, so maybe not. This is probably, hopefully, the first time where I can play a game that comes out immediately and then maybe do some content around it, like maybe like a very fast review or something, you know. I wanted to try that, but yeah, I'm gonna have a baby literally the moment the expansion comes out. It's this month, right? How many days till the Elden Ring expansion, guys? How much time do we have? Cakes will come out. What will come out first? Elden Ring DLC or Little Cakes? Yeah. I don't know. 1 week, no. 18th? 18th, so 1 week? No. There's no way. God, I'm so behind on everything. Oh god. I mean, at least the fucking Kinderzimmer in English, whatever that means, is done. Did that yesterday. 18th or 20th. Cakes, have you been wearing one of these? 24 stream time. With a room for the baby, yeah. I fixed that yesterday. Children's room. Like, it's basically in our Schlafzimmer, but yeah. Nursery, not sure. 21st when it comes out. 21st, okay, so that's 10 days. And I still need to play Elden Ring. God damn it! How? But I'm good. I'm a good player, so it will be easy, I think. But what do I do with Minecraft and Jay? Fuck, man. Never enough time. All right, let's see. Try GL1. All right, GL1. Then it's squared, which that should make. No, it should be 0.5 though. Shouldn't be squared. 0.5 times 0.5 is 0.2 though, but it's 0.9 here. But okay, let's try this first. See how it looks. 10 days till no sleep. Just give up on Minecraft. You gotta stream on the weekends. Well, I use the weekends to do the YouTube stuff at the moment. You know, and baby-related stuff as well. So it's difficult to also use that time streaming on the weekends. I would, you know, I would. If I could, I would. 100%, man. I just want to stream. I would, man. It is a little bit better. Really super cool. It's a little bit better. Wait, do the menus still look good? They seem to be looking alright. What about the options menu? It still looks okay. Okay. Oh, okay. I feel like yeah. The main menu looks kinda... You mean this? Yeah, this is kinda sus, I know. I know that, bro. This is one of the best things in the game, in my opinion. The main menu looks kinda outdated compared to the rest of the game. You mean this? Or you mean the show options? This? I think this looks good. Like, maybe there should be some roots here, you know? Teaching little Cake C++ or J, whatever she wants. Maybe she never wants to learn that, and I'm the only person in the fucking family that likes gaming and programming. Would be sad. Sad times, bro. The map part, I mean. This looks great, the map part, the little town. Oh yeah, the little town is outdated, I know. So it's still not properly done. Right, fine. What about Zig? Ugh. I'm gonna adopt a new child if she learns Zig. Alright, let's see. Draw UI text. Let's see here. What do we have? Right now, the text data has a material color of 0.5. Alpha value of 0.5. Yeah. How about we get rid of all of that? Material. Wait. Text. Data. dot material dot color. There we go. So 0.5. Now, oh my man,
Thank you, Sturdy Pose, for 100 bits.
appreciate it.
Cheer 100.
Sturdy Post, my man. I really appreciate the support, man. Thank you so much. Yeah, you guys can use bits to have free TTS. True. Most advanced TTS, except for TCAP. TCAP has better TTS, I think. All right, let's see. F10. Original color. Yeah. Why do we use original color here, though? What am I using that for? Oh, I see. It takes the... Okay. Takes data, material, color, and then original color, yeah. Oh, this is for every single glyph. I mean, it doesn't really matter. Because... this is the important part here. We have a different color here. That's fine, but still the 0.5 alpha value. Now, what I'm interested in is the render data. Materials. Alright, we have 2 materials right now. And now we get the transform, which adds another material to it. Here. Color. And then for some reason it's 0.2. This is why it's wrong. You see that? The color that we have here is 0.5, but all of a sudden it turns it into 0.2. That's why it doesn't work. Because there's something shitty going on here. Get material index, it looks like here. Huh, that's interesting. Never saw. Oh, it's converting to sRGB, linear color space, to be used in the shader. Oh, guys, it's this shit again. Maybe for text color we shouldn't do that? Or at least not the alpha values? Wait a minute. So, what is right here? What is the right thing to do? Should I not power the alpha value? I'm confused now. That's why it's turning it to 0.2. That sucks. Shitcode framework? Shut the fuck up, bitch. Like, now you're getting toxic people on YouTube as well. Making a 3D engine with OpenGL and C. Came here for inspiration. And then the next message is shitcode framework. Shut the fuck up, bitch. Leave. I'm gonna just ban you. He's not right. You're wrong. Okay. I mean, this looks like 0.5. Is this 0.5, guys? Does this look like 0.5 transparency to you guys? I don't know. Yeah, me too. I have no clue. But maybe now it works properly if we get rid of this. It looks better. That looks more linear to me. Now the big question is, do I keep the alpha value not powered? Or do I power the alpha value? That's a difficult thing to say, to know. Let's go home here and go to, oops, wrong click. Show options. It's difficult to say whether I should power the alpha value or not. You guys don't know either, right? Offends you? OML, I'm high. If it offends you, it's true, Russ. Oh, so you do see my messages, lol. Ah, of course I do see them. That's toxic, Scatter MC. We are wholesome here. I mean, you're right, but still, shut the fuck up. If it offends you, it's true, Russ. Is that a person? Offends you? All my life? OML? What, guys, what does OML mean? I missed Dark Souls 2 discussion. It's got a metric ton of bullshit, but it's still a good game. Also great bosses and DLCs. Yeah, I will play Dark Souls for sure. I love you. But man, I love you too, bro. Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you. I subbed? No, you didn't. I don't see a notification. You didn't sub. Oh, you subscribed to YouTube. Thank you. Thank you very much. Appreciate it, bro. I think this is the beginning of our amazing friendship. Scatter MC. Shut the fuck up, you guy. Look at this guy. So, I have no clue if this works, but I think I'm happy with this. Looks so bad? Well, no, you're wrong. It doesn't look bad. The only thing that looks bad is the outlines overlapping. That's the only thing. That's what looks bad. And it also only looks bad because timer multiplied by 4 and then we do less than 0.25. F. There we go. Now the alpha is properly interpolated. Look at this. Well, watch. Maybe 0.25 is a bit much. 0.5 is, I think, too slow. Really nice game. I love the bushes. What program are you? Is it made in? It's made in C++. Together with... thank you very much for following, Johnson. Yeah, Johnson. Thank you, bro. A-Sprite and C++.
Gotcha, bitch.
I think this is good. Boom. Now we just need to fade in. Ah, so if we have a message, right? We draw UI text. We need to use the alpha value on the sprite too. So essentially, only the alpha value. If we get a bracket, where's the bracket? We get a bracket. We draw a sprite using transparency. Wait, don't... Huh? Yeah, draw data. Dot options. Hey, why? Hey! Text data dot material dot color dot alpha. And then options is transparent. There we go. Why is it complaining here? Is it render options? Ah, it is. Okay. Thank you, my man, Push. Thank you so much for this. That was really annoying, having to do this manually. This is awesome. Being able to do it like this. Cool. Now that this sprite is also affected by transparency, the entire thing should look much better. Oh my god! Watch this! Huh? Now we have a fading in text that has also icons in it, right? The next thing would be to fade in the size. Watch this. This is gonna be awesome. Hopefully that works. In the game, We have fade in color. So now instead of fade in color, we have fade in size. How do we do this? Floating message dot font size is floating message dot timer times 2. Then it's changing the floating message, right? So I suppose we set the font size to this. Then we have a float font size. Hey, my man, thank you very much for subscribing to YouTube, bro. I appreciate it. Font size is 1, or basically floating message.font size. And then, times floating message.font size. So essentially what I do here, this is a value between 0 and 1. Right? The floating message timer times 2. This is between 0 and 1. And then I multiply that by the actual size of the font that I want. You understand? And so that gives me a font size that I can then supply to the text. And then using this font size, I can go back into this interface here and take the sprite's size, which is here, sprite.size, and multiply that by the text data.font size. There we go. And now we have the size in there too. If this works first time, that would be awesome. If this actually works, it doesn't work. It's still the same, which is good. It doesn't work because I didn't supply the option yet. Okay, when I was adding a floating message, I only faded in the color. I was not fade in size. I wasn't fading in the size. Now I am. And so now, hopefully it works. Okay. Oh my god, it looks so bad. Yikes. Oh. Because it's left aligned. So oh god. I mean, the pivot is wrong. No, it's not the pivot. It's the text. Oh shit, how do I do that? If I center the text, what am I supposed to do with... I mean, we can try centering the text, but it will still look a little bit wrong, I think. If I align the text with center, the problem will be that it doesn't take the sprite into account. What's the rule for indentations? From what I've seen, it's totally arbitrary. Yeah, I mean, whatever works. And now it moves to the left? Hey, wait. Wait a minute. The text is left aligned, but your scale option should be able to scale the text in relation to any pivot, right? Yeah, you think that, bro. Huh. I think... Wait. Align center. Current line width. Where's that? Get line width. I think the get line width has to take into account the size of a sprite. Get text width. That's the word width over here. This is where we go through each of the characters. And then we can find... font size. The advanced glyph times the font size. If C is the same as open brace, then how do I do this in the renderer? Oh god. Yeah, wait. Mark this as A and then go minus. No. Minus. Yeah. How do I do this here? Sprite. Get sprite. Okay. Get back to A. Text. Sprite ID. Get sprite. Then sprite.size.x times text data dot font size is the length. I think. Continue.
Gotcha, bitch.
I think that's it. And then after that, mark this as A. Go back. After that, I have to find the closing bracket. I hope. And then we continue. This is terrible, but maybe it works. Perhaps coin plus 25 looks better than coin plus coin 25. We'll see. Hi, Jova. Good morning. Hope you're doing good, bro. And thank you very much for following. Cupertino and Armand. I don't know why Cupertino keeps on following, but okay. I see that. Let's see. Nah, it still doesn't work, it looks like. Doesn't change anything, actually. Did I make a programming mistake? I wonder. Does this happen here? It doesn't go in here. Aha. Okay. Why? Why? Why does it not happen? Okay, how about this? I have an idea. Huh? Shouldn't this go here? Get text with? Hey? I'm confused now. If I want to align center, don't I? Huh? It's drawing a bunch of UI text. Why is it not going in here? Huh? Maybe plus 25 coin. I'm confused. Sorry, but this is confusing. Huh? I mean, I go in this all the time. Is there an error? Doesn't look like there is. Yeah. Should go in there immediately. So, like, huh? It's so confusing. Alright, I mean, not sure what that was, but fine. You see, now it goes in there. I get it. Alright, it found this, and then it finds the size for the sprite. What do we have? Length of 0.9. 0.19. How has that come to play? What's the font size? Oh, it's so small. I see. 0.7. Okay. I mean, it does work, but it looks wrong. Okay. However, It's almost correct. Right? Doesn't it look always... Why use a different icon for the coin in the UI and pickup message? Oh, because... Well... You're right. That's bad. I was just playing around. Well, I'm here again. Hello there, Majestic Lego. Shouldn't the icon be the same as the one on the top left? As a new player, I would not see the connection, especially with a different color. Looks like a brown off-brand cookie. Yeah. You're right. You're right. That will be. Fuck, man. Why? And I need to take a piss again. Fuck. It's almost like it's almost there. Okay, wait. I have an idea. Mem copy. Maybe it takes these into account too. Shouldn't though. And then it's percentage D for the gold. I want to test something. If it actually works with just text. So instead of the text here, we just do text equals. This is a test. Right? What if we do this instead? The orange isn't angry during his first hit. See, this works perfectly. So it is not calculating the size of the sprite correctly. Also, I would love to do something really quickly. Mark A. No, switch to A. Instead of the font size, right? Since this is a T value. Right, a T value that goes from 0 to 1. We can apply easing to it. T equals ease out back T, and then we can multiply the font size by T. That gives us this. Watch. All right, this gives us this. See that? Oh wow, look at the text. Boom! Boom, 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 boom! Look at that, boys! Okay, I have too many. Damn! Pogyu, yeah, isn't it? Isn't that nice? Boing, boing, boing. Just implemented bouncy back text. Thank you very much for following, Geikom. However, it doesn't work with the sprite. We need to have it work with the sprite, man. If I can make it work with the sprite, I call this an 80% W today. An 80% W. Because it's polished and looks good. How can we make it work with the sprite? How? So instead of this is a test, right? This. How? How? This, for example, right now. How? Ignore section enclosed by... Okay, let's see. Text. Okay, so it basically has 717 and 25 in it, right? F10. And then the text is still the same. All right, let's add the text here. Then we can take a look. Well, can't really see it unless I make this much bigger. There we go, there's the text. Okay, now it splits it into words. Let's take a look at words. We have one count, we have one word. Alright, one word, this. Yeah, because we don't have any breaks, nothing. Alright. Space width. Yeah. F10. Space width. What I think is happening is it doesn't take into account that before and after the sprite, I add in 1 pixel here to the size of the sprite. Also, position X, wait a minute, is not affected by the font size here. So what we have to do here is, this is one major bug already. This needs to be multiplied by the text data.font size. But I don't think that's it already. I think it's still wrong. Or maybe that's it already. Maybe is this it? No. There's no way this is it. Maybe it moves now. Let's see. Oh, wow. Okay. Oh. Lol. I feel like the sprite is not scaled, right? Let's debug this a little bit better. How do I do this? Float linear is floating message.timer. Wait a minute, no. Yeah, divided by floating message.duration. And then if linear and linear is less than 1, then we use linear here. Yeah, that's so stupid. It's fine. It's fine. Alpha is linear. But for now, I'm just setting alpha to 1. Because I'm not interested in alpha. I'm mostly interested in this. If linear is less than 1, then I want to turn t is linear. There we go. And then I ease it out back. Alright. So what this does is basically slow down the entire thing based on the duration. And we could see how it scales over time. See that? This is basically how it goes in slow-mo. What was that? Huh? No, I didn't even see that. Huh? LOL? Huh? I mean, that's some crazy stuff, bro. How's that happen? Eh? How do I do this again? Okay. What happens to the sprite? Lol. So the origin, let's see here. Let's get rid of all of this. Origin. How did you learn making your tower defense games? Well, I just started making tower defense games. I played them in the past, and I take a look at other tower defense games and try to learn from them. Tower defense games I still have to take a look at is Kingdom Rush, and core defense would be cool to play. Yeah, I'm pretty sure there's more, but basically I try to look at other tower defense games. Bloons, I played Bloons already, but I didn't play Bloons 5. Tastes like shit. Yeah. Yeah. Just a pumper. Yeah. Blech. I don't know how my wife can eat this. Blech. Blech. Just reorder them, coin plus 25, which probably reads better anyways. Yeah, but it should still work like this. I look at Kingdom Rush and Bloons 3.5. Yeah, Jova is making a tower defense game as well. And Kingdom Rush is something on my list. I also have to try Elements TD, I think. Excuse me, that's a Warcraft 3 map. But I think we tried this in the past, but didn't get very far. I didn't play it for long. I need to play it for longer. Okay. Come on. What is wrong here? Let's put in the origin. 466? Are you sure about that? That's awfully far to the right. Are you sure? 16? That's not the correct. That is not the correct text. It does a 9. Yeah, that's not the correct text. So, yeah. Draw UI text. This, bro. Let's go here. Alright, 100. That makes more sense. Alright, we need the origin. We know the words. Space width, we know that. Right, 1.2. Wait a minute. Glyphs. 32 is, I think, space. Advance is 5. Texture coordinates 3. Guys, 32 is space, right? Yeah. So 5 times 0.24, that makes sense. Space width is 1. All right. Current line width. I mean, we can take a look at that next frame. Let's just agree that the line width is 9 pixels long. Okay. All right. Then we need to do, we have a center here. Current line width minus space width divided by 2. Position. We start out at 100. Boom. Another position is at 95. Okay, let's add in the position here. Okay, that's very interesting here. Now, since we go through the words, let's get the word in here as well. Guys, Visual Studio, or can we do word comma s? Just the string? Oh my god, thank you so much. Awesome. Oh, I remember how to use this. Okay. Now we go through the word. It eats up the characters. Finds this. Okay, changes the color. Word plus plus. Then it finds the plus and draws the plus on position 95. Okay, that's correct. Draws the glyph. Boom. Increments the position using the font. Boom. Alright, now we are at 97. This is where we will find this character. Ah, I see. It puts the sprites, I see here. There it is. It doesn't take the font size into account. Let me see. Float x size is sprite.size.x multiplied by the text data.font size. Or sprite.size.x or sprite.size is sprite.size multiplied by text data.font size. And then we can use the size here properly, and we don't have to multiply the font size in there all the time because it's already in. That doesn't make sense because it's +1 here. But maybe we can do like that. We take this text size and we do multiply 1 by that. Maybe this works. Okay. Maybe this is already the problem. Here of Minimalist Tower Defense. Released early this year and Seems to be a low mid success. Oh, I have not heard about that. Let's take a look. Let's not take a look in Edge though. Edge sucks. What is the game called again? Minimalist Tower Defense. Okay. Minimalist Tower Defense. Oh, 500 reviews. Yeah, that's nice. Oh, the price is a bit low though, but okay. It was released earlier this year. Let's see. Oh god, I can't see anything. What? What's happening? What's happening? What is happening? What are you doing? Oh wait, the triangles are attacking. I see now. Oh cool. Wow, what a nice game. Oh, it's so loud. Very loud, sorry. Aha. Very interesting idea. Oh my god. And where do the enemies go to? I don't understand where where do they go to? Or to the minimum here, to this guy? Is this your base? Holy shit. Okay, so this is the base. Oh wow, you can scroll the... Uh-oh. Do they kill you? What happens if they kill you? Holy shit. Have you heard of the game Creeper Bird? This looks like it. Oh wow, what did he do? Atomic bomb? Wait, how did they all repair itself? How did they... Wow, that's a lot of stuff happening at the same time. That can handle a ton of agents now. Wow. Using tower defense isn't a bad idea. Using tower icons as the tower isn't a bad idea. Attack of the polygons, yeah. Oh, cool, cool. I wonder what they say. Let's take a look at the reviews. I'm always interested in that. The game quite literally matches its title, minimalistic. In the game, the content and literally everything else seems someone who's new to tower defense and likes the story mode concept may find this interesting. However, experienced TD players like me, who have mastered other TD tower defense games proficiently, will find this game particularly boring and lacking in both variety and content. Kingdom Rush TD is a much better option, albeit this change of playstyle from open world to path. Someone may tell me that because the person is an indie developer, I should give them some slack. Unfortunately, this is not a very logical argument. I've seen better games made by other indie developers. Infinitode 1 and 2, York.io. Is that it? The gameplay is quite simple, too simple. Simply spam gold mines for fast income and build towers. There's no aspect in difficulty. The challenges are simple goals that hardly alter your gameplay in any way. Sure, there's enemy varieties with each unique difficulties. However, I don't find them impactful enough for me to change the one tower layout that I've been using for the entire game. The game is also completely unplayable in ×1 due to its incredibly low progression. Well, that's what you have speed up for. Ultimately, one of the biggest throw-offs is the limited tower set. Whilst having many towers with unique upgrades, they are really not impactful. Helps bring a sense of variety into the game. The limited tower set completely contradicts such a factor. If you're looking for interesting micromanagement and logical sets, this game isn't for you. Aha! I mean, this guy must be like a TD nerd, bro. This guy must be he plays chimps mod every game, right? In every platform. But okay, I mean, it is how it is. It's still 90%, 94% very positive, which means it's very close to overwhelmingly positive. It's really successful. I like it. It's cool. I think the price tag, maybe the price tag is fine. Guys. We have to do it like this. Oh. Look at this, guys. I think it works. Now the only thing left to do is the pivot offset, it looks like. The pivot offset of this. Sprite.pivot offset. Plus. We have to multiply that. There we go. There it is. Why two different coin sprites? It's gonna change in a second. The two different coin sprites. Just wait. It's gonna change in a second. Guys, we have it. Almost. It is moving a little bit too far to the right. There is... Okay. Ah, this one. Here. This one needs to be multiplied by text data. Okay, wait. Float 1 offset. X offset is 1 times text data dot font size. Okay, so this is the plus X offset. All right, there we have it. It is a lot of hard coding, I know. But there it is. A lot of old TD games got balls hard a few levels in some so some people figured out you were supposed to be really good at them. Guys, there it is. There it is. We have successfully now let's test the wait. Let's test the alpha. Let's test that really quickly. Cool how it fades in. What if it fades out the same in reverse? Yeah, we can do fade out as well, but for now I'm just gonna leave fade in. All right. Oops. There we go. We're gonna switch over to Minecraft in J after this. But we made some really good progress. Because font size times 1 is font size. You could just add font size instead of 1, you know. Oh, you're right. I could just add the font size here, right. No, You're right. You're right. It's fine. It's fine. I'll leave it like this for now. I know what you mean. I know. But I might change this factor. Okay, guys. This is it. Look at this. This is what we did today. Now we just need to change the icon, right? The icon does look a little bit weird. I agree. Let's find a better one. Okay, instead of the bronze coin, we have different coins, right? Just don't know where that is. Let's see, coin. We have coin here, but that is a big one, I think. Then we have a 3 passive coin. We have a 3 passive coin 16. We have a sprite coin 8. Maybe we can use that. Not 25 potatoes, infinite money glitch. No, this is just for me debugging. Oh, wow. I mean, we could do this. I think the coin is a little bit small though. Right? Coin, bronze, silver, gold. Coin count in game. Well, coin 8. We can do an S dot pivot offset is 0 and then minus 4 or 2. Let's try minus 2 first. Minus 2 looks kind of nice. I feel like the coin is too small. I feel like making a bigger one. Well, this one would work nicely, I think. How much is it? 10 by 12. Do I have this? Let's try to search for 1912. 912. 912. Coin 11 by 16. That's wrong though. It's not 11 by 16. 912 and 128. That's it. But it's not 11 by 16. It is 10 by 12. Weird. Alright, let's get this coin. And put it here. This is gonna be coin small. And then coin. Search that. Put it here. Oh, I just love coding, guys. I just love it. It's awesome. All right, so this is 11. No, wait. How much was this? 10 by 12. And then it has a dot pivot offset of 0 and minus 4. Let's try minus 4 first. Oh, wow. That's quite a few. There we go. And then we add the coin small in here. There we go. Let's see if this works. Hopefully. Would be awesome. Think it is too big though. Eh? Is there an error? Eh? Did it not work? What? Oh, wow. Yeah. I mean... yeah. The coin, yeah, how about we do a new coin? We draw a new coin really quickly. In here. So how do we do this? How would we draw a coin? We could go for this style, which is basically almost the same as this. Or we could make it... I think we should keep that style and then just add a third layer here so that it is... But I think it's not flat enough. It's too flat like that. So it should be more like this, I feel. Right? But that looks odd. Can't do it like this. And then this gives us an issue here. Looks kind of bad, I have to say. Right. Also, I forgot the outline, which is supposed to be this. So we'll have to redo the coin anyways. Okay, now take a look here. Maybe this looks better. How much do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, and then we have this stuff here. It does look kind of bad, I have to say. Not happy with this. This could work. Shiny apricot. I'm not happy. Not too happy with this, I have to say. What if we turn the coin a little bit more spiky? Like that. Eh? Why? Oh, I see. This is not mask, but index 6. I see. So instead... Oh, wow. No, wait. That was wrong. This is supposed to look like that, yeah? I think. Huh? Am I stupid? Wait. Wasn't this what I had before? Yeah, I had. I think that just looks bad. That looks bad. Oh, I want to have like... Yeah... A round coin. It's so much easier to do a round coin like this. Maybe we can just take this coin and rotate it. Then use that. What do you guys think? Maybe this? Maybe swap the horizontal thing for shininess? You think this is better? What if we turn it into this? Oh wow, that looks good. Guys, take a look. This is nice. Think we got something here. Oh wow, yeah, that's it. Nice. Look at that. There we go. This is it. How much do we have here? It is still 10 by 12. Cool. I like it. That's our coin. That's it. Let's take a look in game. Okay. Now we just need to change the pivot and we're good to go. -4. It's maybe a bit much. -2. I think the UI should have the same sprite or a scaled up version at least. Yeah, I mean, this is kind of a scaled up version of this, right? Kinda. Wait. Do I have to do 3? Is this in the middle? Do I have to do 3? Multiple separate cakes. Why not have a separate sprite sheets for different things? Because then I have to open up 10,000 sprite sheets, bro. That's why I don't do it. If the coin was 1 pixel smaller, it would look much better, in my opinion. Let's see. Does it even work? Take a look. Yeah, you either have 1 or 10,000. I think this looks better. It kind of destroys the coin, but it's perfectly in the middle. And maybe... Where's the other coin? Must be here somewhere. There we go. This is the other coin. You know? Maybe now it looks more... I mean... I feel like it has to be that big, but maybe I just make it twice as big. Maybe that. Something like this. And then instead of 12, we do 14. Export this. Do you prefer the text as it is with some transparent pixels /AA? Meaning, I think it would look nicer without them, maybe. Not sure what you mean exactly. Okay, then instead of... Whoops, actually wrong. Instead of -3, we do -4. Not sure what you mean. With some transparent pixels. You mean the outline? Oh, it's not -4, it looks like. It's -2. Cool. I think I'm happy with this. In the long run, this will make it hard to edit and add more. No, I mean edit, yes. Adding more, no. Okay, guys, what do you think? What is your opinion on the plus gold? What do you think, guys? Huh? Tell me. UI gameplay? This is gameplay, bro. Not bad? I think so too. I think so too. Duration, let's do 1 second. You can probably use the same sprite. No, I don't want to because... Okay, duration should be maybe 2 seconds and we should also fade it out. Let's add in the fade out option really quickly, okay? God, this is cool. Look at this. I have fading stuff in the game. Fading text. Let's see. A. Okay. If we have the fade out option, right? Fade out. Now, then the timer needs to be greater or equals to the duration. Duration minus 0.5. If that's the case, then I want to set the alpha to the duration minus the timer. Multiply that by 2. And then we have a value. This is a value between 0 and 1. And then invert that. There we go. God, this was so easy. Now we have fade out. I think. Maybe not, but it should. It blinks. Not sure why it blinks though. Why does it blink? Perfect. Nah, dude, it's wrong. It's wrong. I don't know why that is though. So because we take the duration minus the timer, right? And the duration minus 0.5, right? Let's say we take a second, do minus 0.5. Then we have 0.5 left. Right. And the timer is... Then we multiply that by 2. Why is it... Why? Duration minus timer should always give me a value between 0 and 0.5, right? Wait, 0 and 0.5, it's not 1 minus, I think. No, wait, it should be, because I invert that. I'm so confused here. I'm so confused. Okay, let's try to do minus 1 second, right? Minus 1. And then we don't do minus 1. And then it should basically this. Then here,
Gotcha, bitch.
turn the duration to 5 seconds. I mean, 2 is fine. Thank you very much for following, Cakez. Good morning. Hello there. Alright, let's see. Huh? Why is it correct now? Huh? Guys, am I stupid? Is my math wrong? So if I take the duration minus the timer. So let's say we have a duration of 5 seconds. And then the timer is 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. Oh, it is already inverted. Right. It's already inverted. I get it now. I see. Okay, cool. It's already inverted. Now we have fade out. There we go. Hello, sir. Hello, Major Who. Good morning. I don't know if you care about looks, like the numbers overlap and the alpha doubles there. Oh, that's what... is that what you mean, Real Superco? Yeah, I know that the alpha doubles there, but I don't know how to make that like work. Because the font... Yeah, the font is... Yeah, I know what you mean. Unfortunately. That I did not mean, but the alpha around the text in general, why did you add it? Alpha around the text. You mean this? This is just the outline texture. This is what I get from true type font files. Or what do you mean? Have you ever tried Bezier curve easing? Gives more control? No, I have not, but I have not needed it so far. Because this is still very clean, in my opinion. I haven't done that yet. Oh, so that font is not handmade, right? Yeah, it is not. It's true type font file. And I just take the outline from what I get back there. Can you clean it up if you wanted to? I don't know how, to be honest. I don't know how to do that, to be honest. Well, maybe. Maybe. We could potentially try something in the shader. So essentially, in the fragment shader, where we get the outline, if the texture color red channel is less than something, right, we could discard.
Gotcha, bitch.
Yeah, I could do it like this. You think this is better, guys? I don't know how much it is. It looks like 0.6 still is there. 0.7 still is there. 0.8 gets rid of the outline. Johnny White, thank you very much for following. You guys like this more? I'm talking about the text, right? Now it is hard edges. Not sure, to be honest. Like, if we take a look down here, you see this? Let me lean into the mic here. And then we add that back in, right? Let's do 0.5. I feel like it makes this easier to read than if I have a perfect outline, to be honest. I think it's cleaner in the menu, but not below. Yeah, but I think I'll leave this. We'll see, right? Oops, wrong. We'll see. I think this works very well because it gives more contrast down here. But it can change. Alright guys, and we are going to switch over to Minecraft and J after I went to the bathroom again. We have to make our cube texture properly.